Hey guys, Mike here. In this video, we are going to go over 4 open position minor scales that you can use for warm-ups or to add to your scale library and also to train your ears. If you haven't checked out my video on the open position major scales, go check that one out. It's a pretty cool one too. Gives you some ideas for some exercises and get you playing some scales. Let's start with the E minor scale in open position. We'll start with the first octave. Open, 2, 3. Open, 2, 3 on the A. Open D. So we have open 2, 3 on the E string, open 2, 3 on the A, open 2 on the D. Do that again. 2, 3. Go on A, open 2, 3, open 2 on the D. Here's the next octave slow, 2, 4 on the D, open 2 on the G, open 1, 3 on the B string, and open E. So again, the next octave, 2, 4, open 2, open 1, 3, open E. Here it is descending, starting with the second octave. Same thing. Three, 1 open, 2 open, 4, 2. Open E, 3, 1 open, 2 open, 4, 2. Descending down to the next octave. And 2 open, 3, 2 open, 3, 2 open on the E. Here's the whole scale ascending and descending in both octaves. Stop on our root. Descending. Here's a little bit quicker. Making sure we start and stop on those roots. Okay, next up we have the A minor scale, again in open position, and we have it in 2 octaves. Start with our open A string. Open 2, 3. Same thing on the D string. Open 2 on the G. Open 2, 3. Open 2 on the G. Do that same thing again. One more time. And moving on to the next octave, we have the second fret on our G string. Open 1, 3 on the B. Open 1, 3, 5 on the high E, and that's that slide right there. Open 1, 3. Open 1, 3 again. Slide to the 5. Open 1, 3. Slide. Here we go, descending, starting from our upper octave. 5-3-1 open, 3-1 open on the B, ending on the 2nd fret on a G string. One more time. Now moving into our lower octave. Starts with 2 on the G string, 3-2 open on the D, 3-2 open on the A. 2 open, 3-2 open, 3-2 open again. It's alright. So let's do the whole thing ascending and then descending. Stop and start on our root. Open 1-3. Same thing again, slide. Descending. 3-1 open. 2 on the G. 2 open. 3-2 open. 3-2 open. Ascending and descending. A minor. If you guys like what you see so far, make sure to check out my blues course. I left the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out. The next scale we'll take a look at is our G minor scale. Again, 2 octaves with this one. Let's start with the lower octave. 3 on the E string. Open 1-3. Open 1-3. Open G. Open 1-3. So next octave, open G, open 2-3, 1-3-4 on the B, 1-3, high E, again open G, 1-3-4, B string, 1-3 on the high E, same thing one more time. So descending, starting from our higher octave. Do that again. Next octave. So here is descending and ascending. Open 1-3, landing on the open G. Open 2-3, 1-3-4, 1-3. Descending 3-1, 4-3-1, 3-2 open, open G. Stop and start on that root. And that's our G minor scale in open position. So the last scale for this video, we're going to do the C minor scale. So the C minor scale is going to be similar to the A minor scale because when we get to that high E, we're going to slide up a little bit and then slide back down. So we're going to leave open position for a little bit just to complete the scale. So let's take a look. So we start with 3 on our A string, open 1-3, open 1-3 G, 1 on the B string, again. Go through that again. 3, open 1-3, open 1-3, string. Next octave, this is where it gets a little weird. So you got 1 on the B string. 1, 3, 4. We're going to go 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. So do that one more time, starting with 1 on the B string. Slide, slide, slide. So descending, here we go, we're going to start on the 8th fret of our high E string. 8, 6, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1. We got 1 on the B string. So we'll do that again, same thing, descending. We have 8, 6, 4, 3, 1. 4, 3, 1, finishing it off in the B string. We keep going, descend down to the next octaves. 1 on the B string, 3, 1 open, 3, 1 open again. Do that whole run one more time, starting from our upper octave. Whole thing ascending and descending. And that right there are 4 open position minor scales for you to practice, add to your scale library, build up that finger dexterity, and train those ears. Remember to stop and start on each root so you get the tonality, you can hear the root every time you play the scale. Also, it wouldn't hurt to play some chords, kind of like we did in the major scale video, in between each root, again, to solidify the tonality in your ear. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more, and until then, take care. Thanks.